Do you know what would happen if suddenly all the stars in our universe disappeared? In a single moment, the sky would become completely dark. No twinkling lights, no distant galaxies shining in the night. And the most terrifying part is, our sun is also a star. That means if all the stars disappeared, the sun would disappear too. So what would happen to Earth? Let's understand it step by step. The sun suddenly vanished, but we wouldn't notice it immediately because sunlight takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So even after the sun disappears, we would still see normal daylight for almost 8 minutes. And then suddenly, Earth would fall into complete darkness. There would be no difference between day and night. The entire planet would feel like it's stuck in one endless night mode. But the sun doesn't only give us light, it also holds the entire solar system together. Because of the sun's gravity, Earth and the other planets move in stable orbits around it. If the sun suddenly disappeared, Earth would no longer stay in its orbit. Instead, our planet would start moving in a straight line into the unknown depths of space, which means we would no longer be a part of the solar system. Without the sun, Earth would also lose its main source of heat. During the first few hours, nothing dramatic would happen, but within just a few days, the temperature would begin to drop rapidly. Within 1 week, Earth's average temperature could fall to around -17 degrees Celsius, and within a year, it could drop to nearly -70 degrees Celsius. The oceans would slowly begin to freeze from the surface. Without sunlight, plants would no longer be able to perform photosynthesis, which means very quickly, Earth's entire food chain would collapse. First, the plants would die, then the herbivores, and finally, the carnivores. Human civilization might survive for a short time using artificial lights and energy sources, but eventually, for most life on Earth, survival would become almost impossible. However, scientists believe that not all life would disappear. Deep beneath Earth's surface or on the ocean floor, some extremophile microorganisms might still survive. These tiny life forms can live in extreme environments without sunlight. For example, near hydrothermal vents deep in the ocean where volcanic heat still exists. These microscopic organisms might survive for millions of years on a dark and frozen Earth. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see the stars, remember, they are not just beautiful lights. They are the source of life in our universe. Because if one day all the stars in the universe disappeared, the universe would become a cold, silent, and dark place. And Earth might simply drift alone through the endless depths of space.